Hey guys, today we're gonna open up the GoPro Hero 7 accessories kit. This is a accessories kit I recently purchased on Amazon. It's for $30 and it's a small accessories kit, and we're gonna open up and see what's really inside. Just off the bat, it's quite a nice bag. It's quite sturdy, black, has a grip to it, good zipper. When we open this up, we have a few things here. The GoPro Hero 7, all of these are fits in that GoPro. It should also fit the 6th and the 5th version. Just to start off with, we have the handheld water grip. So this is a handheld device grip basically for water. If you look at it, it's orange and it's quite sturdy with a good, nice grip to it. It has a small, band to it, and you can sort of put your hand here and tighten this up so you can hold it underwater. It's quite sturdy, and when we open this up, it also has a small compartment inside it. It's quite sturdy, very well built, good, good quality plastic. It has two rubber bands, two rubber O-rings or gaskets, so it really holds the water out. You could potentially have something in here, or just or just the rubber band. You can put it there as well. What I on top of that like, is that it has one of these threads here, and that means that you could sort of mount it on a tripod or anything you have. You can just mount it there, and it's very comfortable. So this is the water grip, and quite good. We're gonna put that on the side. Next we have the water housing, and this is not the GoPro original one. This is a off-brand. I'm not sure what the brand is called, but the plastic is very similar. It's basically the same quality. It's very well built, good bands. It has a nice big gasket around it with sort of like a foam around it. So this is very nice, and I don't think the GoPro version has that. The screen, and the front screen is a little bit bigger than the other one. I'm going to remove this one, but it's very well made, very well done. Seems very strong and very sturdy, and will hold up in the water. And when you close it, you can see that it fits really well. This is a good good cover here. And remove this one as well. So it's a very nice water housing. On top of that, it comes with red filter and a band to it that you can just put here. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to put this on the side. As we see here, it has a good quality to it. It's a very nice quality to it. I'm going to remove the cover here. So it has a nice reddish filter, and it goes on top of this. And yeah, it has a really good fit. So you have to be quite strong to pull it off. So I feel like it's quite a good, sturdy underwater filter with the housing, and we can actually go ahead and try to connect it with that one. If you open this up, I'm gonna move this one and take this one off, and if we just connect it like this, and there we go, and I'll put this one inside. It is. See? So very nice, very nice. It's so once you have this on your hand like this is a great setup. I think it's one of the best setups for underwater filming. You can easily turn it, it has a good grip, you can twist it up, you can twist it down. So I really like it. In this housing you could potentially put, you know, some SD sticks or something like that if you want to have it in the water with you, and I don't know if you want to change it out. I don't think you should, but if you want that. So I really like this setup. It comes also with some anti-fog what are you called? Fields or anyways. And these you put inside the camera, inside the water housing. So you just open this up. You can put it down. You can put it on the sides. Yeah, you just, when you put the camera in, you just put them on around it, and that's for avoiding having fog inside the lens, inside the camera while shooting. And it comes with 6. You probably just need 2 or 3 inside each time, but it comes with 6 on one and another 6 here. So plenty of them, and these are reusable, so don't throw them out. You can potentially put them in the housing if you want. Just put them in the oven and just leave them there for a while, not too hard, but just so they dry up, and then you can reuse it. Yeah, so there we go. We have the underwater setup basically for the GoPro. Now GoPro is underwater proof, or waterproof already for around 10 meters or 33 feet. However, this is I like this because you could take it in underwater, it floats. It's a little bit extra protection, and yeah, I like this setup, and I don't mind having that just a little bit extra, just to make sure that the camera is good. Also, it protects the camera. Now the next thing that we have is extra cover or extra casing for the GoPro. This is a little bit bigger, obviously. It has a camouflage color, and it's a little bit sturdy, I find it. What I really like about it is this cover here, so it really fits well and sits tight. Yeah, this is quite nice. I like this one, and it's a little bit bigger or bulkier than the regular GoPro mount. However, it's a little bit better, and the best thing about this is actually this lens cover, which one of the reasons I bought this was because of this, because I want something that covers the lens, that protects the lens when it's in my pocket, or if I have it somewhere, if it scratches some keys or something, it sort of keeps the lens covered. So I'm gonna actually use this more, and I actually like the camouflage color of it. So very nice, and it also comes with an extra of these. I guess it's for maybe this, or I don't know if it's just an extra they just put in there. That's nice. And finally, we have some screen protectors, and it comes with 2 of these wipes, so you can clean some dust removers. This is some stickers so you can move, and then let's see, it comes with 4 of these lens covers. Now they are quite sturdy, and they are quite good. And if you look at this one as well, again, so we have 2 of them for the back lens, or for the back display, and you have 2 for the front. And I recommend you putting this on just to protect the lens. It's more expensive to change the lens than to get a couple of these. Finally, we have the case itself. It's a nice case. You could have it very easily carrying it around. You can remove the foam, which is, you know, if you don't want that, and just use the case on its own. And most likely I will use that because I have some more stuff that I want to put in. But obviously the foam is there to, you know, sort of gag it. But yeah. So this is my unboxing and a little bit of a review on it. I really like the setup, the water setup, because it really keeps it safe and covered. Also like this this casing that I'm gonna use more. So all of this was $29, $30 on Amazon, and I think it's a good bargain for what you get. Really, it's a good all-around protection for your camera and a little bit of a use that you can have. If you guys like the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video. And if you have any comments, just please leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye.